Hello guys, my name is Doke and I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Also you, back there, over there. Today we continue with your favorite I Try series and the next effect is glitter! Yeah, this is gonna be such a shiny episode, so let's jump straight to the preparation. The very first thing that you need if you want to paint something new is a good reference picture. So I started to search for pictures of glitter on Google. I was taking a close look at the structure and texture of this material or thing or whatever it is. Some of these pictures were actually painted, they were not real. And I was not really sure which pictures are real and which are painted, so I decided to try this in reality with a real glitter. So I asked my girlfriend for a glitter, I've put it on a paper, I've took some pictures, and boom, here we go, I got realistic pictures of glitter. The thing that I found out is that the texture of glitter is basically made of dots and few shiny stars. The dots have different values of one color and the stars are white, or for some reason sometimes they are green, yellow, blue. Right now, when I have some knowledge about glitter texture, comes the time for a sketch. Some of you were complaining under last few videos that I don't do my traditional style anymore. So in this one, I decided to go for a more traditional style, graffiti style for me. First of all, I've planned my sketch with this little tag over here, then I transformed the tag into a sketch and here we go. So I have a sketch and I have pictures of glitter and some knowledge about it, and our mission right now is to put these two together on a wall. For this painting we won't need anything special except our traditional favorite, spray paint. By the way, if you want to know how we say glitter in Slovak language, we would say trblietki. So let's try to paint trblietki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jawohl, 5.
Warriors the ground, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm loud.
I have to say that I kind of missed my traditional style, my graffiti style.
I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't no gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Fucking bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Put on my strap, put on the beat, put on the map, put on my team. Take out every motherfucker in between. Know what I mean? Better myself, better my aim, better my rap, better my name. Killing rappers on my hang, I'm by their chains for the fame. Never thought I would it, now I'm running this. You don't wanna follow me, I'm out the fucking front of this. I ran in the jungle with the troops, trying to get it what it do. Battling and I ain't never lose, we some motherfucking warriors.
So here is the sketch so far. I really like the V, also the O looks okay, but there are some... it needs adjustments. Alright, background time. This is actually the part where we start to do glitter. Maybe it won't look like that from the beginning, but I'll explain everything to you.
Cover the map and still ain't know where you can find me at. Journey through the mind of an insomniac. I ain't never sleep, staying ready, keep an eye out for the fakes. For the snakes, load a clip and I'ma pull it, something shakes. Never go to battle if you plan to lose. Life a game of chess, you gotta plan the moves. Middle fingers up, I'm not a fan of rules. Fighting for the right to live in peace and not like animals.
Wunderbar! It's time to make a shadow. And yes, all this is part of making the glitter. Alright, and right now it's time to test it out, because I've never painted the glitter. This is like a base color that will be like the first layer of glitter, and right now I'll test it out. I'm a little bit afraid that it's not gonna work. No, this is not what I expected. I won't use white color in the background because that might take the attention from the actual piece. I really didn't expect that glitter will be a problem. Okay, let's do it. Yep, it's gonna work if my hand will stay functional, because this is like a hidden dots challenge. I don't know how am I gonna finish this, because my hand is just... this is like a torture. To let you know, this clip has 23 minutes, which means that I've been doing this yellow part of letter D for 23 minutes. Which means that I'm definitely not gonna make it today, because I have 3 more letters and simply not enough time. You know, I thought that pixels were annoying, but this is a whole new level. This is a really special moment that I enjoy a lot after every single I Try episode. The moment when I'm done! I have to say that this time it wasn't that hard in terms of artistic skills, but it was really hard. I would say probably the hardest episode so far in terms of physical problems. Yeah. So there's just one thing left. Guys, definitely let me know in the comments below what should I paint next time with a fag or thing or whatever. You know that I take a look at your suggestions. Actually, most of these projects are based on your suggestions. If you like the final result, definitely hit that thumb up, and yeah, it's shiny. This is it.
Warriors around, don't get caught in the mosh pit. Fuel to the fire, ain't nobody can stop it. Trouble in my city, but you know I'm across it. Got a 40 on my hip and I'm liable to spark it. Throw down these hits, my click is indivisible. I aim, you duck, I squeeze, now you invisible. I'm not afraid of getting physical. All these different chemicals are fogging up my visuals. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we notorious, we ain't no runners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Yo, we some warriors, they ain't called gunners. Bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners. Fucking bloods on my hands, got slugs on my gunners.